Good morning students. Today we are discuss about unit 12 periodic classification of elements. Now you see the periodic classification of elements. Daubernier triads. Okay, in 1817 John Wolfgang Daubernier, a German chemist, suggested a method of grouping elements based on the relative atomic masses. Okay, wow. So you see that more than elements having that elemental we have to arrange in the one tables. Okay, that tables he was introduced that is the group of elements. Okay, wow. So that group means how to he is arranged means based on the atomic masses, based on the atomic masses. Okay, so he arranged the elements into the group containing 3 elements each. He called these groups as triads. The triads means is a tri means 3. Okay, he was creating the 3 groups. He was creating to the 3 groups of elements. Okay, so the Daubernier showed that when the 3 elements in the triads are arranged in the ascending order of their atomic masses, he was arranged in the atomic masses. So the 3 group he was arranged. So that atomic masses, all the elements are different. All the elements, atomic masses are different. So what he was doing means is ascending order. The atomic masses, atomic masses ascending order la define பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணாங்க, he was creating to that groups. Okay, so 3 groups. Okay, so now you see that the atomic mass of the middle element is nearly the same as the average of atomic masses of other 2 elements. இப்போ 3 elements அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 3 elements 1 2 ஃபஸ்ட் எலமெண்ட்ஸ், செகண்ட் எலமெண்ட், தேர்ட் எலமெண்ட்ஸ். ஓகேவா, இந்த சென்டராக இருக்க மிடிலாக இருக்கிற அந்த செகண்ட் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து எலமெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, ஃபஸ்ட் எலமெண்ட்ஸு செகண்ட் எலமெண்ட்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணி 2ஆல் டிவைடட் பண்ணி ஆவரேஜ் we are taking to the average. So that how much come, that only it's a second elements உடைய atomic mass இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, so that is he was told. So example of a trial group 1, arithmetic means of the atomic masses of the first and third elements. You see that here given that tables, trial group 1, trial group 2, trial group 3. So first you take to trial group 1. So first elements, second elements and third elements, LINAK, right? So the first elements, second elements, you have to add it. So added and divided to the 2. That is a average. You are take to the 2 elements. First element school, second element school average you are taking means that is coming to how much coming. That is the second element, sorry, atomic mass. Okay, wow. You see that first element 6.9, 39.1. So both you have to added and divided by coming to the 23. So that is a Na. So that second elements atomic masses are correct. So next you see that limitation. So Daubernier could identify only 3 trials from the elements known at that time. Okay, wow. And all the elements could not be classified in the form of trials. So some of the elements only creating the group, trial group, but all the elements cannot formed. Okay, cannot formed. So the law was not applicable to the elements. So this the Daubernier law, it's not applicable to the elements having a very low and very high atomic masses. So next person they are given to the another one period tables. Okay, so you see that was that Newland's law of actives. So act nale you have to know that act nale what 8, right? Yeah, you see that in 1866 John Newland arranged 56 known elements. So 56 known elements is creating the group. Okay, increasing the order of their atomic masses. He also formed that increases of the ascending order la arrange pannika elements arrange pannika known of the 56 elements. Okay, he observed that every 8 elements and every 8 elements had the properties similar to those of the first element, like the 8 not in a octave of music is similar to the first. So first element or eighth element என்ன இருக்கும் similar-ஆ இருக்கிற மாதிரி elements you have to choose. This arranged we known as the law of octaves. So in this types of the elements you have to law of example பாத்தீங்களா law of octaves. So example the octaves of Indian music system is, so நம்ம இந்தியன் மியூசிக் சிஸ்டமில் ச ரி க ம ப த நி சா. ஓகேவா? ஸோ 8 வேர்டு வரும். இந்த இதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டும் லாஸ்ட்டும் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு எலமெண்ட்டும் லாஸ்ட்டில் இருக்க அந்த மியூசிக் வேர்டும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவலி இது இட் இஸ் ஏ ஈக்குவல் ஒன்லி, ரைட்டா? சா இட்ஸ் அ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட். That music is started to the sa and finally it's a finished in the sa. So the 8th element, so first element say equal. The first and last notes of this octaves are same. Okay, sum. Likewise in the Newland's table of octaves, the element F is a 8 form from the element H. So H ல இருந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா H எப்படி இருக்கும் 8 element இருக்கும். They have similarly properties. So இதில் similar properties இருக்கும். Next one you see the limitation. There are instances of 2 elements being fitted into the same slot. Okay, example cobalt and nickels. Okay, some elements totally dissimilar in the properties were fitted into the same groups. Correct? So next you see that the law of octaves was not valid for the elements that had atomic masses higher than that of a calcium. Next, Newland's tables was restricted to only 56 elements. So Newland table and the Newland table the elements of group of the elements and the tables 56 elements மட்டும் தான் கிரியேட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ others we can't able. So this also that the discovery of inert gases at later the stage made the 9th element similar to the first one. So example neon between the fluorine and sodium also. So next person what doing? Next person Mendeleev periodic table. So he is creating the periodic table is a correct periodic table. He is find out is formed the sum of the group of the elements. After this periodic table is creating the new modern periodic tables. Okay, so now you see the Mendeleev's periodic table. In the 1869 a Russian chemist, so he was a Russian chemist, Dmitry Mendeleev observed that the elements of the similar properties repeat at the regular intervals when the elements are arranged in other of their atomic masses. So based on this, he proposed a law of periodicity which states that the physical and chemical property of the elements or the periodic function of their atomic masses. அதாவது physical property இருக்கணும், chemical property இருக்கணும். It's a same small it's a the function of the atomic masses. So he arranged the 56. He also arranged the 56 elements known at that time according to his the law of periodicity. This was best known as the short form of the periodic table. So he was creating the short periodic table only. The features of the Mendeleev's periodic table, it has 8 vertical column. It has the 8 vertical column and called the groups and 7 horizontal rows. So இவர் create பண்ண periodic table 8 வந்து vertical columns இருக்கும். So rowsம் இருக்கும், rows. Okay, 7 rows இருக்கும். 7 rows வந்து 7 rows இருக்கும். So each group has the 2 subgroups. So each group 2 subgroup இருக்கு, A and B. All the elements appearing in the group were found to have the similar properties. So all the elements நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the properties is similar ஆகும். For the first time the elements were the comprehensively classified in such a way that the elements of the similar properties were placed in the same group. So next you see that this is a periodic table. Okay, Newland periodic tables. So next you see this is a Mendeleev periodic tables. So you see that rows வந்து 7 rows இருக்கும். இப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 7 rows இருக்கும். இப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 8 columns இருக்கும். பாருங்க 8 ஃபைனலாக 8 columns இருக்கும். இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 7 rows இருக்கும். ஈச் குரூப்லேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா subdivided groups இருக்கும், ரைட்டா? So next you see that it was noticed that certain elements could not be placed in the proper groups in this manner. Okay, so in the proper groups find பண்ண முடியல. The reasons for this was they wrongly determined the atomic masses. So ஏன்னா அவர் wrong-ஆ determine பண்ணியிருக்கா அந்த atomic masses. Consequently those wrong atomic masses were corrected after the corrected. Example, the atomic masses of the beryllium was known to be 14. The Mendeleev resisted it was a 9 and assigned the beryllium a proper place. So next you see that the column were left vacant for the elements which were not known at that time and their properties also were predicted. Okay, this gave the motivation to the experiment in the chemistry. Okay, so example, the Mendeleev gave the name Eka aluminium. So அதுக்கு என்ன பேர் வச்சிருக்காரு? Eka aluminium. So and Eka silicon, Eka aluminium and Eka silicon, those elements which were to be placed below the aluminium and silica respectively in the periodic table and periodicted the properties. The discovery of the germanium later on during his lifetime proved him correct. Okay, so next you see that limitation. The elements which a large difference in the properties. So elements with a large difference in the properties were included in the same groups. So properties ரொம்ப differ ஆகிற அந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் உள்ள elements இதுக்குள்ள ஆட் பண்ணாங்க. Example of hard metal like copper and silver were included along with the soft metals like sodium and potassium. So hard metal soft metal including to the periodic table. Correct. So next you see that modern periodic table. So modern periodic table you see that in 1913. So the Mendeleev periodic table established பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Again கொஞ்சம் establish பண்ணி அது modern periodic table they are given. Okay, in 1913 the England physicist Henry Moseley through his X-ray diffraction experiment proved that the properties of the elements depend on the atomic number and not on the atomic masses. Consequently, the modern periodic table was prepared by the arranging elements in the increasing order of their atomic number. This modern periodic table is the extensions of the original Mendeleev periodic table. So already I told you, no. So the Mendeleev periodic table தான் extend பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதான் என்னது change பண்ணி modern periodic table கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. known as the long form of the periodic table. Okay. So next you see that modern periodic law. The atomic number of an element is that indicates the number of protons or number of electrons. So you know that is that means what atomic number? It's a concluding that the elements indicate the elements of number of protons or number of electron. The physical and chemical properties of the elements depend not only on the number of protons. இதனுடைய physical and chemical properties வந்து depend not only for the protons. Proton மட்டுமே depend பண்ணில, but also on the number of electron and their arrangements. So number of electronையும் base பண்ணி இருக்கும். ஸோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த மாடர்ன் பீரியாடிக் டேபிளை அசம்பிள் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. The chemical and physical property of the elements or the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. ஸோ அதனை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். Based on the modern periodic law, the modern periodic table is derived. So these are features of modern periodic table. All the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. The horizontal rows are called the periodic. There are the 7 periodic in the periodic table. The elements are placed in the periodic based on the number of the shells in the atoms. Vertical columns in the periodic table starting from top to bottom are called the groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. Based on the physical and chemical properties of the elements, they are grouped into the various families. Right? Okay. Thank you, children.